How do you turn 68 fragmented medical datasets into a safe rule library for contactless sleep monitoring? You don't rely on a single AI. You build a multi-analyst engineering cascade. We're developing a nocturnal monitoring platform using millimeter wave radar, Wi-Fi channel state information, thermal sensing, and acoustic features. The challenge: public physiological corpora are wildly heterogeneous. Different sensors, sampling rates, and labels make direct rule extraction impossible. Our solution: a controlled 4-analyst LLM pipeline. 4 independent commercial model families analyzed 68 corpora screened for commercial compatibility. The raw output was 695 candidate rule markers. But we immediately applied a staged audit cascade. First, deduplication using signal canonicalization and citation provenance retained 649 records. Next, a threshold bounds audit flagged 51 sanity violations. These were literature-derived thresholds that were unsafe to carry forward without clamping or curator review. Consolidation produced 436 unique rule shapes. Here's where the technical nuance matters. We found that analyst agreement did not predict implementability. A rule with 4 out of 4 agreement could still fail hardware invariants, while a single analyst rule could survive. Instead, disagreement served as a triage signal. It routed curator attention to contested extractions. For example, cardiac markers showed high consensus, while seizure markers had significantly more disagreement, reflecting the difficulty of transferring rules across different patient populations and sensor modalities. Finally, we enforced 2 hard engineering invariants for the build now bucket. Every component had to map to a native sensor channel on our target hardware, no proxy substitutions allowed. And absolutely no multi-night per patient personalization. This rigorous gating filtered the rules down to 94 build-now detector components across 4 families. Autonomic surge with failed recovery, postictal respiratory compromise, bed exit detection, and postictal recovery risk. Crucially, this is not a validated clinical detector. It is an auditable rule discovery artifact. These are engineering candidates ready for prospective hardware validation against medical-grade ground truth. The takeaway: when extracting rules from fragmented literature, disagreement is a feature, not a bug. It prevents unvalidated product claims and ensures only invariant-compliant, hardware-mapped rules move forward.